Yes, everything.
Thank you.
We are back in our vacation house. Dami po natin na grocery. Grabe. Hindi lang ito pang 4 na araw. Yan, tingnan nyo na lang guys. Oh. Mani. Sabihin lang natin yogurt. Mga tea natin. All the teas in the world. Manok para bukas na ulam namin. Kay kami, teriyaki kami bukas. Chicken teriyaki. Cracker. Pipino. Mantika. Nanguot na po og lubot.
Excuse me.
Ito po yung box na lulutuin natin bukas. May mga gulay na po siya para sa teriyaki. Ito ang ulam namin tonight. Ano yan? Shawarma. We've got coffee. Pipino. Grabe kadami guys. Oh, another coffee. Pang breakfast. Missing ko yan mamaya. Onion natin. Meron tayong dessert for Nathan. Apple mousse. All the yogurts in the world. Coconut classic. Masarap siguro ito. Kay 3 man ang binili ni Bianan. Ayan oh. Coconut yogurt po siya. Baby, I'm doing your, sorry ha?
What?
I'm doing the haul today. All the toothbrush in the world. The grocery haul.
Why?
Because you did not come to me, the toothbrush.
Now I will do it.
No.
Now I will do
Okay, garlic sauce. Oh, come here. And then this one. Oh, what is this? Tell them.
apple.
Apple. No, you don't go there anymore because it's almost done. And then Mama will cook. What else? That's the... Oh, bukas pa tayo matapos ito.
Where's fast food?
Ano ito?
Yeah.
No more. That's all. Meron din po tayong... What is this, mahal? Pickled.
Mama.
Pickled smoked cucumber.
No.
And the sauce for our shawarma. Linisin na muna namin to guys. Huwag na muna kayo magsamok-samok dyan.
More.
So, I am the chef cook while we're here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Because it's your vacation, so you can have some...
It's your vacation too.
Yeah, it's fine. Pahingahin natin si Bianan. Ako ang magluto. I will cook for you because don't worry.
Oh, I love you. Then I take care of the snacks.
Yeah.
And the wine.
5 is in the clock.
Inuman na!
Shut
Shut your
paring
cup!
Tagay!
Tagay! Check! Chok!
Magluto na ako guys. Sila doon nanood ng TV si Nathan. Tapos nag-inom-inom, nag-snack-snack sila. Iano ko lang to ready. Kaya nagano na din ako noon, nagluto ng kanin. You know what I'm thinking, mahal? I can just cook it with the... What is that? That I cook it together with the shawarma. Yeah, that it tastes shawarma too. It's like heroes.
But if you do that, then it will be
Less.
cooked, right?
No.
No? Okay.
Wow, all the snacks in the world. In fairness, sa kusina nila dito. Umpisahan na natin to. Unahin ko lang tong gulay kaya para mamaya ilagay ko na tong ating shawarma meat. 900 grams ang binili ko kay sabi ko kung hindi maubos, kainin ko sa breakfast with rice. Okay na to. Gusto ni Daniel crispy pa yan mamaya. Tutuin ko lang saglit. Yun na yun. Wala nang katumpik-tumpik pa. Ininit ko lang saglit. Kaya para mamaya ihalo ko na lang po siya sa ating meat. Prinsesa ang Bianan today. Sana all. Manual ang to natin dito guys. Wala tayong mga ang dito electric. Sabi ni Bianan, very sweet daw si Nathan. Pinag-uusapan namin siya ngayon ba. Very sweet daw na bata. Weird.
On top of the lettuce, maybe you need to remove the lettuce, Mahal. That will help.
No, I was doing that on purpose, mahal,
I
because
miss
you were
you.
just there.
Give me this. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Hey, then I cannot just grab you by the tupoy.
Minanyak. Kahit nandito ang
Joke,
nanay.
joke, joke.
Minanyak pa rin ba, no? Tuloy na natin to guys. Kunting mantika. Huwag na magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Sabi ni Dianan, grabe taga-translate na ako dito. Maganda daw ang bahay na nakuha namin. Pinakamalakas na apoy. Magreklamo itong pamilya ko ba? Yan, ganan mo, nilulutuan mo. Kami dito, hindi mo talaga kami lutuan. Sila mamang magreklamo. Magano sila ba? Nalutuan mo naman kami, Pin. Never ako nagluto sa bahay. Kaya ang sabi ko talaga sa kanila, umuwi ako para magbakasyon. Pero dito, ako talaga. Mga pinsan ko, sabihin na sa akin, buti pa si Tanta Maricel, lutuan mo. Pero kami dito, hindi talaga. Punta kayo dito, kaya ako magluto para sa inyo, guys. Mahiya din kasi ako magluto sa amin, guys. Alam niyo bakit? Masasarap magluto ang mga tao. Mahiya ako sa matakot ako na anuan ako na hindi man masarap. Ganyan. Kahit dito lalo na pag magpunta sa bahay yung chef na kaibigan ni Daniel, makabahan ako. Ayoko magluto. Pero nagluluto pa rin ako na nandyan siya. Nasarapan naman siya sa luto ko, kahit pa paano. Kaya ayoko magluto sa bahay namin. Kaya takot ako sa comment ng pamilya ko. Baka hindi sila masarapan sa luto ko. Kaya sa vlog pa naman, masarap siya mag-ganyan, no? Sipa-sipa pa.
Moet je sla ergens in? Ja?
Yeah, there.
Je komt of niet?
Well, no need eh. We don't have, here, we don't have a dishwasher. Let's not do that, please.
Let's not do what?
Ik zei, moet het in de kom? Nee,
Oh.
hoeft niet.
I need to wash the dishes. No, I will do it, Mahan. I like very, I like doing the dishes, don't you know?
How about that?
Mag-rice ako. Ayoko kasi wala akong garlic
Wijn
sauce eh.
schenken?
Yung garlic sauce na nabili namin may itlog. Yeah, yes, Vika?
Wine for you.
Yes, of course.
Because we can throw your wine all over the table.
Ang wine ko na nahulog. Nabuhos siya. So, 1. Yan, luto na siya, Can you get the stuff here already, my love?
What do you need me to get?
This one and this.
Oh, yeah.
Tapos mamaya, pagkatapos magkain, dalhin natin si Nathan sa malapit na dito, na playground. Kaya kanina pa yun gusto magpunta ng playground. How many do you want? Can you also bring this? Okay, I'll make 4 or 5 already. Go ako ng din. Kasi baka gusto din ni Nathan.
Vast niet zo'n hele dikke als die van mij.
Die van hem drijven, die van jou niet.
Bad trip kami sa CR nila, guys. Kay yan, barado. Lugadat, lugadat. May maiwan pa yan for my breakfast, Oo ka? Rice or wrap? Okay, wrap. Come here.
Rap, rap, rap.
Oh, that's hot.
Hot, 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 hot. Ik leg hem op je bord.
Tinuturuan siya.
Like that.
Gooi je ze in het midden door zo te doen en dan zo. Hop. Dan heb je zo een wrap die je zo kan eten.
Kain, guys.
Hop, hop, hop.
Zo.
Meron kasi sila nito,
Oh,
garlic
lekker.
sauce. Very big, big.
Daar valt het niet uit, hoor.
And shawarma sauce.
Boppie.
Eet smakelijk.
Isa dito nag-enjoy din. You don't want rice, bebe? Little bit?
Oh, die saus
That's
is wel lekker
onion.
erbij ook.
This is my favorite.
Yeah, very favorite. Yummy, mahal with the white sauce.
Ja, lekker. Wat is dat? Chili oil?
Yeah, chili oil.
Mm.
That's my sauce.
And you can have this one if you want.
Yeah.
Waar koop jij op?
I like this, Mama.
You want it inside too?
Net als ons?
Like this.
Sige. So, us.
See ya.
Wow, meron pa tayong natira, guys. Do you want more, mahal? I'll make you more wraps, mahal.
Look.
Oh.
Sarado pa. Mahal, do you want more wrap? Nakatatlo na siya. Ang isa dito, hindi pa. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah.
What is spicy? There's nothing spicy there. You drink water. Guys, you need to see that we're washing the dishes. You know what my mother-in-law said?
No.
Why am I using a sponge? Because here they use a brush. Because
Yes, always.
not in the Philippines.
This is the brush.
Yeah. But here they use that, guys. In the Philippines we use always this one. So we can really feel it.
And we make a sopje.
Like a water there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lagyan nila ng tubig na marami, tapos doon na nila hugasan. And then you don't rinse, right?
No.
Makain mo pa may sabon. But the soap has no taste. Don't worry.
No.
There's soap here. But in the Philippines... Ganyan na kita. But in the Philippines, Rika, it's with sweet taste.
Okay.
Yeah, so you really need to rinse it. What will we do now?
I don't know.
You can choose. Do you want the playground or in the farm with all the animals in the world?
Is the playground is more better?
I don't know what you want.
There's a playground next to the kinderboerderij.
Okay, then we can do both. Let's go.
Yeah.
Tapos na kami nagugas ni Bianan.
Yay!
Bye-bye, have fun. You alone.
Your own.
Alone. You will go there alone.
No.
Kidding. Pinento ko kay Bianan.
Yay! Pudelay!
Habang nagluluto, ano kami ng mga pinggan. Pinunto ko sa kanya kung ano ang reaksyon ko nung unang nakita si Daniel na naghugas ng pinggan, nakadami-daming sabon. Ganun talaga, guys, oh. Kainit ng ulo ko kay kadami talagang sabon. Tapos, yang takot ako na maglasa. Tinikman ko talaga ang sabon, walang lasa. Grabe pa ang bula. Kahit sa ano ata, UK, ganyan sila maghugas. With brush, tapos ilunod lang siya sa tubig na may sabon, tapos tanggalin nila, yun na. Hindi na banlawan. Yun na yun siya. Mainit lang masyado ang tubig talaga. Walking tayo. Alam nyo din kung bakit gumagamit sila ng brush. Kasi sobrang init talaga yung pinaka-high setting ng init na tubig ang nilalagay po nila. May mga paano po sila dyan. Oh. Mga pa butterfly. Oh yeah. The same. Diba kung maganyan-ganyan kami, guys. Kaya bahay ang kinuha ko. Sus! Sus! So nice weather daw, sabi ni Nathan.
My love,
Yeah.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Where are your glasses?
Hey, in the car. I know. Yeah, I forgot. Tingin-tingin lang din kayo ng mga pabahay nila dito, guys. All vacation houses po ito. Kayaman siguro ng may-ari nito, no? Kalaki-laki nito ba? Puro vacation house. Parehas niyan. Sabi ni Bianan at ni Daniel, meron sigurong iba dito na parang ginawa na din nilang tirahan, no? Na matagal sila dito magstay ba? Ito, tiningnan ko din tong bahay na ito. Yung ganitong bahay din, mas mura po yung ganyan. Meron akong nakita na ganyan, tapos ang harap niya, tubig, guys. Maganda sana, kaso nga, yun yung pinili natin, magaganda ang bahay din nila dito. Not bad din, totoong bahay din po. Pero mas malaki yung amin kay merong second floor. Parang ano lang yan siya, isang kwarto lang yan. Yan ata yung nakita ko. This one is only one room. Yung amin kasi, 3 room. Ayan o, water. Pwede ka lang dyan magtalon, guys. Malaki masyado. Is that a lake, mahal? Andito po yung kanilang patent. Yeah. They're renting. Look, guys, kaganda. Grabe kalaki. All the tents in the world with caravan. Yan yung mga pwede nyong ma-rent. It says all the dogs in the world, it says.
All the dogs in the world.
Yes. Ayun, may nag-ano doon, no? Camping-camping, guys. Tingin lang kayo dyan, ha? Marites din kayo ba? Kumakain na din sila ng dinner. Doon nga ang pa-farm nila na maliit, oh. Ayun, oh, tubig, grabe. The big, so, very, very big water, mahal. This is going to the sea, right? Alama, baby love. Look what they've got. Alama. There, let's go, let's go. Yeah, let's see the farm.
Ga maar staan.
Huli pero hindi ko lang nangulangot ang mister ko.
Holla. Holla, 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 holla.
Ay, mas malaki yan, oh. Ay, that one. I saw that 16 people can be there. Yeah, very big one.
Here.
Pas op met de brandnetels, daar ben je vlakbij.
Oh, yeah. Pass up met the brand nails. Ito yung Makati masyado, guys, oh. Pakainin natin.
Ja.
It's my first time to feed a goat. Because in the Philippines, we eat the goat. The goat of Fernando.
Yeah, in the Philippines the goat feeds you.
In the Philippines, we eat the goat when the swab bite the goat.
Look mahal. Many calderetta.
Yeah, many caldereta indeed.
Ja, laat maar die spuug je straks in het gezicht.
Kom maar.
They spit.
They spit?
They can spit.
Oh. Look, baby, I've got the llama here.
Mama is bang voor de lama.
Mahal, feed them, mahal. Sa mga kamahal, oy. Because you're eating goat, baya mahal ha.
Not this goat.
You're eating them ba? I'm afraid that they will bite me.
Oh ja, gaat deze eten.
Nee.
Hij wil niet meer. Doesn't want any. He doesn't like that one.
Hij wil die niet. De zwarte wil wel. Hier. Deze, die zwarte.
Just the green. Here, baby. Look. Be careful, Nathan, mahal ha. Wait a minute.
Oh, wat een lievetje. Oh ja, ze heeft al net een beetje.
Takot ako sa kanya.
Kom eens staan.
Even kijken wat hoog gras is.
Nou, dan die trekt een modderkluiten eruit.
Papa will get it for you.
Kijk, dit is een hoop gras. Alsjeblieft.
Nou, hij wil alles opeten.
Dan sabbelt hij lekker aan je hand.
Careful ha.
It's only a small one. I cannot go very high.
Don't go there ha. Nathan, nee.
Eraan, nee.
Stress man ako dito sa kanila. Uy.
Zo gaan staan.
Goed zo. Dat gaat snel.
Zo.
Nog een keer.
Hey. Zo.
Je kan wel.
Ja, je kan wel. Papa kan ook.
Goed zo.
Sige daw, mahal. Sige daw. Look at Papa, baby. Look at Papa. Look.
1, 2. Oei. Ja, hij kan het hoor.
Wow!
Nou.
De boerderij.
Meron pa kami nakita na ano doon, maliit na farm. May mga donkeys.
Where is,
Ponies, everyone.
where is
Look.
the other one?
Hier.
There.
Kijk, daar.
Potbelly pudding shit.
Hello.
Werkt niet, kereltje. Gaan we deze kant op.
Tingnan nyo, tubig pa rin po yan dyan. Papunta na nga yan ng ng dagat. Careful ha, maybe they will bite you, Nathan.
Nee, die bijt niet. Dat
Ja?
doet hij niet hoor. Nee.
I saw in YouTube they bite.
Zie, hij zei niet.
Ja.
Hij was
Ja, maar
mijn
een beetje-
vinger aan het stoken.
Grabe kasaya ni Nathan, guys. Excited ba siya din magpunta dito? Siguro mga yung nabuko ito, 1 month pa lang. Nagbibilang na siya, Mama, ilang araw na lang. Are you enjoying my lab?
Yeah.
You like it here? Do you like it like this? Like there's no people, or you want it with a little bit people?
No, like this is nice.
Yeah. Hindi ko na talaga mapigilan, guys. Pakita ko talaga ito sa inyo, ang tubig nila dito. Kay, grabe kaganda. Ang ganda din na nandito ka sa harap ng tubig lang dito. Maligo yan sila. Look. Kalaki-laki. Diretso po yan doon hanggang sa dulo. At dito din. You really need to learn how to swim, ha? So you can just swim here.
Yeah, but I want
then
to go to the other playground.
Okay. Ito yung public toilet nila, guys. Public shower. So kung naka-tent ka o yung mga karavan po nila dyan, dito kayo maligo dyan. Is it clean?
Take a hot shower.
Yeah.
Nice.
Waar kan ik mijn handjes aflopen?
Aan de lucht. Zo.
Hala, I really need to poop, mahal.
You need to go to the...
We're still far.
Waarom kan ik niet mijn handjes aflopen?
Because we don't have. Let's go. Dali. Hindi na kaya, guys. Maglabas naman siya. Kadami ko kasing nakain today ba? Pauwi na kami. Ang pahinga na 7:30 na po ngayon. Board game siguro yan sila. Pahinga ako. Hindi na ako magsalita sa mga board game nila ngayon. Help you! Okay, I will help you. May maliit po sila na TV dito. Maganda din ang bahay nila ba? Yun lang, maliit lang masyado ang kusina, guys. Magkasuntukan kayo pag nagluluto kayo dalawa. I'm tired. Where are you going? Ay, hey. Wag maglaro sa ha? What do you want? Apple mousse or coconut yogurt?
He wants cocoa, not yogurt.
Ngek.
I want coconut yogurt. I want coconut yogurt.
Psycho papa. I want coconut yogurt, papa.
You want cocoa, not yogurt?
Yogurt.
Oma will do it daw. Kita mada ang nanay at tatay, guys. Wow! What is that? A coconut yogurt with apple mousse? Yummy yogurt?
Apple mousse.
Your papa ututed. Past tense.
That was not me.
Who then?
Wat?
Di kayo ututed? Si Daniel daw. Guys, today is May 4. Ano pala today? What is that, mahal? The remembering of the people who died on the war?
Ja. 6 million Jews.
Were you already there, Vika? No, right? Omas.
Oma wel.
Yeah, Oma. So, at 8 o'clock, kailangan magtahimik ng 4 minutes. 4 minutes, mahal? 2 minutes. Yeah, at 8 o'clock, you should be not talking to each other or whatever it is. Huwag ka magalaw ng 2 minutes. Bebe, you need to be silent later, ha?
Why?
No talking, no moving.
What?
To remember the people.
Why?
Because we
Died
need
in
to
World War
remember. Yeah, who died in World War II. Tulog ko na ang anak ko, guys. Simula na kami dito. Game night. Tama na siguro. Tantanan nyo na ako. Uy, tama na. Thank you so much for watching.
So guys, ano upuan ka dito. And have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.